Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to TechNexa. I hope you're all fine. You're all doing well. Today our topic is very important because I'm going to tell you that how you can make yourself productive and very productive with the help of Chrome Web Store, with the help of Chrome extensions that you should add to Chrome right now. So on number one, I'll not just waste your time anymore. Number one is black box code chat autocomplete extraction. It actually it's a it's a extension that can copy your code, your text, your image from any image from the text sorry text from the image of any website, any platform, and any where you are on the internet. It will copy the text and you will get the text. So this is a very useful uh, extension that you can use, you can add to your Chrome. And number two is uh, uBlock origin, and this one is very important. Actually, there are a lot of ad blockers in the market and on the Chrome Web Store, but this one is very important. It actually blocks each and every ad that even ads, and also the pop-ups that appear on the website. So this is very helpful, that can make you productive. Whenever you start using use you just realize that it is really you realize the difference between having it and without having it. So, and this is it. And then number three is work on a tab suspender. This is very important. This is very amazing. It actually helps you manage your tabs uh, by just for just making you more productive. This will suspend some of the tab that you don't use, and also it will create lists, and also it's basically a tab manager, which is very amazing. It's also available on Firefox, so you can use it on even Firefox. And number three, four is Pomodoro timer for Google Chrome. I'm also using this extension. This is an extension that will help you to make you more productive, so that if you are doing a specific task on the internet, on the Chrome, you can just select the time on the exact time you want to do it, and you will not be distracted by any of the other tasks or any other things or any other distractions around you. So this is the Pomodoro timer for Google Chrome, which you can just add to Chrome. I have already added it, so I think you will also add it to your Chrome. And if you don't add it, it means you are not going to be more productive. So if you want to be productive, you have to use these extensions to make your life better, easier, and faster. So that was it. Thanks for watching. Comment us on our channel, on our video, for more videos. And if there is a topic that you want a video on, you can ask us. Also, you can subscribe our channel. And thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.